So today we're gonna try our little friend Mighty Mini Cooper S, and actually it is mighty. It's a BMW, I would say, but guys, it's convertible and it just does it. The engine is, and honestly, you see it perfectly inside. The interior is cute, kind of millennial, but really cool. And oh, I need to turn on. Yep, look how cool.
Our subscribers will love you, and I'll warn you, there's going to be about 500.
It's really cool.
Hey, we're ready.
You ready for it? I know you got to hang out.
How cool is it? I had my trunk open, that's why. How cool is that? It's really cool, guys. And it does it like up to 10 miles per hour, it does it. And it looks cute. It really looks good. I have my friends waiting for me, I need to go back. It looks really cool, guys. I love it. And it sounds really good. Pay attention on this. Take a look at this. It is fast. Fort Lauderdale. Look at that, guys. That's awesome. What you doing there, man?
And you know the reef is right there, right?
No, I didn't know that. So guys, what I can tell you about the car is a really small trunk, right? But creative. You can use the trunk even with the soft top down. It looks beautiful. It's fast as hell. Nice interior, really nice interior. Here it's really tight. If you put the seat really, you can have maybe one person here, but for a man driving there, no one there. So maybe 2+ people, more like that. Really good engine, super fast, interesting visual, good gasoline consumption, not really like a heavy drinker. Fun car, I had fun. A little bit of a strange thing is, since the distance between axles are so short and the tire profile a little bit too low, it's squeezed a little bit too much, but it's fun. When you brake, the brakes were not really precise, but it's a car that I would have for fun, for sure. Approved. It's a millennial version of an old classic car, and you can see the British BMW, now kind of Mini Cooper flag right there. I approve the car. It's really fun. I would buy one to have fun, especially because it's converted. I think the suspension is really hard. The brakes can be a little bit weird, and because the suspension is hard and the tire profile is really low, if you get a bump, you're gonna get a flat for sure.